How about you just make the shop open? How about you pretend?
Pretend?
Yep.
Wow.
I pretend the shop. I pretend the boo, and you pretend hungry.
I pretend hungry? Okay. Oh, my tummy is rumbling. What do I eat?
You gotta eat them.
So, what are you gonna make me since my tummy is all rumbly?
Well, you're gonna make them ice cream.
And cookies?
Yep.
Oh, I'm so excited. So, how much will it be?
It may be $60.
$60 for some ice cream?
Yep.
I don't have that much money.
Yeah, give me the money.
What am I gonna do?
Give me my money.
Oh my goodness. Okay, I have to go to the bank and get some money.
Hey, you got it.
Huh?
You can't run away with the money.
I won't. I'm just gonna go to the bank, but $60? That's a lot of money. I'm gonna be broke. If I give you $60, I won't have money to pay my light bill, and my light's gonna be cut off.
Don't worry. You have something to eat.
Oh, so I'm gonna eat with no lights on?
Nope. Not the white or not. They hurt your teeth.
What hurt my teeth?
The white.
The lights? No, that's unbelievable. This is stressful. I guess I'll just get some ice cream and not pay my light bill.
What? You gotta give me the money. Give me the money.
Okay, I'm gonna go get the money. Oh, you got me. Okay, here you go.
Okay.
Here's the money.
Hey, that bread. I need the money.
Can I?
You have money?
I think I have something better. How about I pay you with jewelry?
That what? That's not a jewelry.
It is. Can I just give you my watch and I get an ice cream?
Okay.
Okay. Oh, that's wonderful. Thank you so much. You don't want my watch? Okay, I have a better idea. How about I pay you in diamonds?
No, it's not a diamond,
But-
it's a pearl.
But what? Fine. I guess I have no choice but to go to the bank. Cha-ching. I have something for you.
Okay.
Ta-da!
Thank you. You can get the microphone.
That's my light bill. My light's gonna cut off. What do I do?
Don't worry, you have some special moves.
Okay, I am back. But I have another idea.
Okay.
How about I pay you with juice?
No, it's not
Oh,
yours.
unbelievable. You don't want my juice. I have another idea. I'm gonna pay you with these little monies. You taking all my money. Oh no. What do I do?
Don't worry, I give you your money back.
Oh, thank you so much. So I don't have to pay you any more money?
Yeah?
What?
Yeah.
Fine. Huh.
Don't
This
worry.
is... There you go. There's a 20.
There's $50.
What? You keep taking all my money. You're gonna... Now I have to give you my rent money. Now I'm gonna be homeless eating ice cream. That is ridiculous. Fine. There's my rent money.
I think here.
Thank you. What? What are you doing? What are you doing? You take all my money and you laugh. I'm homeless. I have no light in my house. You take all my money and leave me homeless just for some ice cream. Thank you. What? I have to give you more money? I cannot go on any longer. Fine. Take my card. Take it. Oh, I cannot take this anymore. This is ridiculous, Summer. I'm all broke. I have another idea. I think I want to pay you in letters. Here you go. I pay you in letters. Take it. Okay, fine. I take in all the ice creams. Fine. And I take your phone.
Get out!
And I take... No, give it back here. Give it back here right now.
Mine.
And I'm taking the juice. I'm taking the cookies. I'm taking the whole ice cream shop. I'm out of here.
Come on.
And I'm taking the bread too.
No, you are not taking that.
I'm taking everything. Get back over here. What are you talking about? I'm so sad. I'm so sad. I am broke and homeless with no light. Because you took all my money and didn't give me any ice cream.
Poor mommy.
What? Give me my money back right now.
Oh, I gotta go.
Give me my money. Give me my money right now. Give me my money right now. Give me all my money right now.
Super funny.
So you take my light bill money and give me ice cream. I guess I'll eat ice cream in the dark. Oh.
You can't see anything.
So I won't be able to see my ice cream. Unbelievable, Summer. That's crazy. Oh my goodness. Oh, may I have my ice cream?
Okay, it's at $50.
I just gave you. Oh, I have to go get more money.
You gotta get more money.
I'll be right back.